What's up with Eladio and this Nike combination?
Yo, he looks good. You know, Saturdays, he always comes in fresh. He gets his gel. He gets a haircut every Friday. He came out with the Mustang. What year is that? 87?
2002. Don't hate the play, hate the game.
Anyway, it's a nice car. It's a little slow. We raced the other day with the Cayenne.
I put the Cayenne to sleep. Estaba cansado ese Cayenne.
So anyway, go back to business. So getting back to business, the siding looks beautiful. You see the color is gray. You see the roofing, it looks good. So tell us what's going on with the siding, because we're running out of siding. We're short like 2 boxes.
2 boxes.
So we're gonna be doing something else because you can't find material anywhere. There's a shortage of materials. And then go ahead, tell us what's going on, Eladio.
Well, what happened over here, we ran out of material. So I said to the guys, don't do the front, just in case we gotta get like a shake look for the front or do something different. Because when we went to the supply house, done.
And none of the supply houses have materials.
The manufacturers are closing warehouses. They're not bringing people, and they're shorthanded. They can't keep up with the demand of supply. So we got to do what we got to do.
Yeah. So what's going on these days is when we go buy materials, say we need 1,000 square feet of tiling, there's not enough materials for the whole 1,000. So we have to take another color sometimes. If you try to order it, they say 4 weeks, 3 weeks, and we can't wait that long to finish these jobs. So we have to take whatever's available. So that's what's happening, and that's what's going on over here. But we're happy that we got this. As you can see, the color looks great, and then we're gonna probably combine it with something else. Whatever it is we're gonna do is gonna come out good. And then we got Ricardo's here. We're gonna be cleaning up the property, all the wood, all the siding. I got the guys over there. I got Shelly and his dad. They're over there ready to clean up. Always keep the property clean. Always bringing in dumpsters all the time, 30 yards. So we're rocking. Yeah!
Toma! Dale, sin miedo, sin miedo. Hasta máquina, hasta. Tremendo chofer. Toma. Saca la mano y toma. Toma. El chofer de los choferes.
We want you to put it over here.
Eso no se puede quedar ahí porque está bloqueando el parking.
Yeah, that's what I had it at before, all the way to the back.
Yeah, but you got the entrance right here. You can't block that. They got a driveway right there.
Yeah, no, I had it, put it over a little bit more.
He did it?
Yeah. That's garbage. Somebody coming to take it.
You gotta move it so he can park closer.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do.
Yeah. What's up, Chuck?
Yeah, we are.
You seen yourself on Instagram? You're on Instagram, bro.
Yeah, I saw that.
You saw the video? You like it?
Yeah. You're gonna have to put it there.
What's up, Eladio?
What's up, brother?
You're gonna have to move that shit over there. What this, right?
Dime, ¿qué pasó?
Okay, so, go ahead, start moving it.
¿Ah? Yo traje clear. Está aquí ya.
This way, Paul. Up that way.
Tenemos un tubo y lo quitalo de corte que tiene el muchacho, por favor.
What's up, people? As you can see, we're working. We're cleaning up. We're doing the siding, and we're doing it. We're doing it. I love these guys. These guys are cool. We got DJ over here. DJ, say what's up to the camera.
What's good? What's good?
Come here. You want to say something? What do you want to say? Or what do you think of this project?
It's wonderful. Really, very, very beautiful.
Man, we appreciate you helping us out over here.
I
You guys are
appreciate
doing a
you.
good job. Always keep the property nice and clean.
Of course.
I respect that, bro. Look at
yeah.
James.
Much
He's 75 years old. Look how he picks up that fence.
Yeah.
James, how old are you?
57.
57. I thought you were 75.
My another 55.
Yeah?
Right, Papa?
All right, hold it. Come on.
Look at Shelly. Yo, he's getting down. Yo, DJ, help him out.
Come on.
I got it.
Put it on the sidewalk.
Oh, no, you can't block the sidewalk. The guy gonna come and get it today.
Oh, you've been sitting there for
A week already. Yeah, but
they're
this guy
gonna put the dumpster here, right?
right there. The dumpster.
Have them put it here because if not, the guy can't take out his car. He got a car in there.
Nah, he gonna put it right here.
Right here. No. Aquí.
No, he's gonna put it there. He want it there, the dumpster.
Yeah, but you gotta take this out.
Yeah, take it out.
Put it on the sidewalk. So this is what we do. We have a little bit of fun, little coordination. You're like, what do you call that guy that does the music? Help me out, Caesar.
I don't know. I know what you're talking about. They probably know what you're talking about.
Well, what is that when you know the composer? Mafia, cuando tú le haces así, cuando uno es el que está tirando la música, el composer.
¿Que te tiran la música o el DJ? O
El que guía la música, la orquesta, la
el
orquesta.
director musical.
A director, the director of the music. I know there's another word that I'm looking for. I don't remember what it is. You help me out. And it's the guy that does with the two sticks and he's always moving around. But that's what we do when we come to the property.
What's up, Eladio?
What's up, bro?
Yo le digo a Eladio que arregle la sillita porque mira, está como doblada, como él pesa como 300 libras. Mafia, ven acá. Tú le comprarías el carro, está bonito el carro, ¿verdad?
Yeah, it's nice.
Pero ¿cómo tú ves esa silla?
Yeah,
Media
está
doblada. Está
Yeah.
doblada, dile.
No, está doblada, está un poco doblada.
Está como
Mira,
cansada, está
Mira,
como
el
cansada.
carro de ellos,
¿qué
el
hace?
carro de ellos no está así. Porque cuando yo estoy con el carro mío, se me tiran las mujeres encima. En el carro de ellos no se le tira a nadie encima. Las sillas de ellos están perfectas.
No te calientes con la mujer. Pero,
Es que yo dije, a una mujer nada más se me tira encima. A él ninguna.
but anyway, I'm recommending him
Ahora
before he
una-
sells the car for the $14,000 to do the two front seats. So when you buy the car for the $14,000, you're gonna have two new seats because I'm not gonna let him sell it like that. So make sure you do the two front seats. Yo, if they give you the 14, you take it?
I'll take it.
Because he's gonna get a Corvette, right? He's getting the Corvette. Boom!
Toma.
Chinese collar. This is like short. This is the stop. I appreciate it.
This is the Puerto Rican collar.
That's a
This
real
is
that's a
raw.
real collar.
Todavía está metido aquí. Pues sí, se te mean
Hay
en
que,
el pecho.
hay que plancharlo. Viste, que Golden Shower, que le gustan, a Mafia le gusta eso.
No me metan a mí en ese video. ¡Ey! No me metan a mí en ese video.
Y cuando yo tenga 65 años lo voy a probar el día del cumpleaños. Deja que un calentito ahí, pan.
I don't want to have this conversation. No me metan a mí. I'm too young for this.
A ti te falta todavía.
Cuídate.
All right.